Today I'm going to teach you how to use hidden fields in Typeform. Hidden fields are a powerful feature that allow you to pass information into your form without the respondent seeing it. This is incredibly useful for tracking where your form submissions are coming from, personalizing the form experience, or passing data between different systems. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to typeform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. You'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your forms are displayed. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your Typeform account. From your dashboard, locate the form you want to edit and click on its name. This will open up the form in the editor where you can make all your customizations and adjustments. The form editor is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're working with the correct form before proceeding. Once you're in the form editor, look at the top of the page and click on Workflow. This section is where you'll find advanced features that help you connect your form to other tools and manage how data flows in and out. The Workflow tab is essential for setting up hidden fields and other integrations. In the left panel, you'll see various workflow options. Locate the section labeled Pull Data In and click the plus sign next to it. This is where you'll start adding your hidden fields. Hidden fields work by pulling data into your form from the URL, so this step is crucial for the setup. Now click Add New Parameter and type in a field name. For example, you might use source to track where your respondents are coming from, or user ID to identify specific users. Choose a name that makes sense for your tracking purposes, as you'll need to reference this exact name later. If you need to add more hidden fields, simply repeat the previous step for each additional field you want to create. You can add as many parameters as you need for your specific use case. Once you've added all your hidden fields, click Save to confirm your changes. Give it a moment to process and save your workflow settings. After saving, click Share at the top of the builder. This is where you'll access your form's sharing options and generate the URL you'll use to distribute your form. The Share section gives you various ways to send your form to respondents. Finally, copy the Share URL that's displayed. You'll notice that this URL now includes placeholders for the hidden fields you just created. These placeholders show you exactly how to format your URL when you want to pass data into those hidden fields. You can now use this URL and append the actual values you want to pass through. And that's it. You've successfully set up hidden fields in your Typeform, which will now allow you to capture valuable background information without cluttering your form with extra questions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.